Amazing option, literally amazing option. This option is like a flash fill, literally like a flash fill in Excel, where you can transferring your data by just by giving example to an Power Query. Let's talk about it. I have dedicated workflow for this. Let us just enjoy this option. Under the home tab, we have transform data. Sorry, we have option data. So let's import it. I have one sheet like column from example. Let's import this file. And here need 4 tabs. Okay, so we will go with this. You're literally going to enjoy this option because I really love this option. Okay, here it is. So I'll go with the clean data first. So see this data, I got this data from SQL server. So this SQL, okay, so that's why it's one line data. So I need a couple of things from this data. So let's start. So what I need from this data is account number, and see here is transaction details. That these two things I need from this data. So this data is like a messy. So let's start the cleaning of data. So first let me just make this first row as the header, because the header is column 1, which I don't like. So promote header. Okay, so see the first record is a null, that means it's no value, so I want to remove that. So I have simple one option under the home tab, that is remove rows, remove blank rows. Okay, see, so now let's clean up the data. So let's start now. I'll have to get the add columns. Under that column from example, okay, so it will show us a column. So I'll simply write down this example, like what I want here: 200684165. Okay, next what? 201853058. See, I got all these account numbers. So for the finalizing this account number, I'll press the control and enter. See, it will add the new column over here with your account numbers, right? This is the beauty. So let me change the name and number. Okay, correct. So I need one more value, right? This uh, transaction detail. Again, we'll go under the column from example. Okay, it's showing me the numbers. I don't find what I need. Is it 10.065.49? See, so it's a number, so it's quite easy for these Power Query to detect the number. So that is the new. So transaction. Now the data type statistic. So next under the date. So it's a quite, I want to show this date in particular manner. So Power AI doesn't have this that particular function. So again I will have to use this column from example. Okay, so it's a Tuesday. Tuesday So it's not getting here because I need to give another one. Next, Sunday 12 June 2016. Right? Done. Control. So it will create a date column which I wanted in a particular manner. So it's a saving. It will add a new column here, custom column. Under that, I got the particular format which I was looking for. So see, in the next example I have split. So I want to let me correct it, because see, I want to promote the header first and then we'll move further. So in this example I want to I want to separate out this text and column. It's highly impossible if I use that split option, right? So I'll write down here ER, enter, WER, and here you can see. Right, simply write down the text. Okay, so again I'll click on the custom column and I'll separate out the numbers 1 2 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 8 9. Right, here it is. So this is how we can, this option, Flashfill option, is very unique, and you can do whatever you want with this options. Okay, next is join. So see, I don't have a middle name for some examples, but let me promote the header first and then we'll talk about this. See, for this, and see how I'm going to do this column from example, right? So what example we can give here? See, here is a null, that means first name, then null, and then it is quite difficult to understand to this Power Query. So better way to give the example which has a full name, right? So here I'm giving, okay, so Deepak space Chandra space Polara. See, I got it. Control enter. It's creating a column for me. Full. Because if you have a null values, then it is very difficult to merge them out, right? So full name. So this flash, that means column for example, it gives you power to handle the data, this such type of tricky data, because here you have a null values and here first name last name, but at some certain points you have the middle name also. Okay, see, you're gonna use this option a lot in your project, so I love this option. So I hope that you will also enjoy this option and you're gonna use it several times in your project. Okay.